Creating artistic garden sculpture videos no longer requires filming or 3D tools. AI can generate them in just minutes. Start by opening your browser and searching for Steve AI, then open the platform and click on Try Best AI Video Generator for free. From there, choose the text-to-clip option to begin your project. Now write a detailed prompt describing your scene. For example, a large garden sculpture being created, workers shaping it, the environment, lighting, and overall atmosphere. This is where you can get creative with styles, materials, and motion. Adjust settings like video duration, format, and ratio based on your needs, then submit your prompt and let the AI handle the generation. Within a short time, the AI produces a visually rich video showing your concept coming to life with smooth motion and engaging detail. Once the video is ready, simply download it and use it for content, storytelling, or creative projects. This workflow makes generating unique sculpture videos fast, creative, and incredibly easy.